Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll find the derivative of a very special function x to the power x to the power x to the power up to infinity. So first try to simplify this equation. So note that what is y? Y is x to the power x to the power x to the power up to infinity. So here what is the power of x? Here power of x is also x to the power x to the power x to the power up to infinity. So that is nothing but y. So y is basically nothing but x to the power y. Now we will take log to the both side of this equation. So we have log y is equal to log of x to the power y. And log of x to the power y is nothing but y times log x. Now we will differentiate both sides with respect to x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get the left hand side will be 1 by y dy dx. The right hand side will be the product rule. So derivative of y is dy dx into log x plus y into the derivative of log x is 1 by x. So by simplifying, we get dy dx into 1 minus y minus log x is equal to y by x. So dy dx is nothing but y by x by 1 by y minus log x, which is the required answer.